Welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a beautiful bronze FN2 in the house today, and this one's having a throttle body and some mapping. Okay, so parts fitted, time to get them up onto the dyno and get mapping. What a beauty. Bronze FN2. Seen this one before, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. Yeah, I think we got to. We gave some advice on where he might make a bit more power, and he's gone away and
he's took that advice.
I think he's added the RRC inlet manifold. He's added a J35 throttle body, which we fitted today. He's changed the Teguo 70mm exhaust from a 2.5-inch exhaust. So he basically took on our advice on things. I think pretty much the only thing that remains the same as what was originally there was the CPL big bore induction kit, which was originally on the car,
which is a great bit of kit.
Yeah. We made power everywhere, basically. I think we made
everywhere.
We made a tiny little bit, obviously, before VTEC. We've sort of made our predominant power after, obviously, the VTEC changeover. And we've really sort of made power from about 7,000 onwards, obviously, where the RRC and the throttle body have made their biggest gains. The customer said he'd a light 200 wheel horsepower. We finished on 202, so I think we got him what he wanted.
Jumping about outside the dyno, so
we haven't actually spoke to him yet, but he was dancing around outside. And we finished on 235, so I'm really, really happy with that.
Yeah, me too. That's good power for NA at this level as well. I remember once upon a time I only had 229 with cams.
Yeah.
So that again, that's the RRC inlet manifold,
making the difference. Yeah, 235 for one of these with no cams in. That's a good. It's a
fantastic
good bit of power.
Nice looking car.
It's a lot smoother. It certainly looks a better graph, doesn't it, as well? We don't flatten off at the top end. We make sort of peak power, peak revs. It's made it look a lot linear. I'm sure he'll be happy with that.
Yeah, he's got a bit of a drive home, so I'm sure he's he'll get home an extra 20 minutes earlier than he
planned to.
Yeah. But yeah, great car. We're doing, obviously, as you guys follow this channel, we're doing FN2s and EP3s day in, day out. I like it when I see one that I like this. It's bronze. It's got carbon fibre body. It's just it's a nice motor. I'd be proud to have this myself. So it's got the power now, and I think he's going to really enjoy it.
Yeah, definitely, 100%. Yeah, and just on a side note, if anyone's interested in liquid wrap and they want to basically colour change their car for the summer show season, you know, cheaper than a repaint, hit us up and we'll give you a quote.
Yeah, and there is I said this on the last video, but there is a stunning Toyota Supra that we have liquid wrapped, and that video might go live this weekend.
Yeah, we got to wait. Basically, we're a little bit holding back because we've got pictures and we're all gagging to share them, but the customer's not seen the car yet, and he's not coming till Saturday to pick it up, so we are holding back off of that. But certainly, it'll be on this weekend for sure.
I hope so. I hope so. Yeah, phenomenal. The sun's been out this morning. I know it's a different car that we're talking about here, but the sun came out this morning, and we got a nice space to drive it into, to take some photographs and footage and look at it. It's the best thing I've ever seen, and I'll say that about everything that comes out of Uncle Keith's paint shop, but this Supra is sublime. I
think it's because we've changed the colour as well.
So dramatically.
Yeah, so dramatically from the grey that it was. So we've dramatically changed it. I think that's what's made the biggest visual impact there.
So I hope you guys enjoy that video when it comes out. Let's go look at this graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Okay, so red line is as you came in, which is the previous time that we seen this. That was the last map that we did. Blue line is as she leaves, and today we finish on 234.9 Tudor's prerogative. That's 235 brake horsepower in my book, and 202 at the wheel. So there you go. Some great mods done today at Dynodaze in the workshop. If you need any modifications doing, or servicing, or coilovers fitting, or anything with a spanner turning, Richard's your man to book in for that. And tuning again, you know, another great FN2 tuned up. So thanks for watching, thanks for getting to this point in the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I hope today is the day that you decide to subscribe to us, because we appreciate the support. If you guys want a throttle body, then give me a shout. We sell a lot of these throttle bodies, a lot of these RRC inlet manifolds. We've usually got stock, so we can certainly sort that out for you. The CPL has been one of the best induction kits that we've seen on the dyno. There's a few other options like your Skunk 2, and if you're on a budget, the Teguiwa one, whilst might not perform as well as this, is great value for money at 275 quid, the Teguiwa one. So thank you, Johnny, for developing that. We will see you all on the next video, and hopefully that's a Supra video that you could all like, because I certainly like it. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.